Welcome back to Ben's Basics. Today I will show you all the chili products in my pantry, as well as making a batch of my favorite condiment, hot chili oil. I use this stuff on everything, and it adds a great bite to any dish. My pantry carries many items that could be considered chilies or peppers, such as black peppercorns. I like to keep the whole peppercorns and grind them as needed. Ensures that they have the most potency and freshness. Next, I like to keep a bottle of Cayenne Pepper. I mostly use this on something that just needs a touch of heat, like some over easy eggs. I always have some crushed red pepper flakes. Works good on anything from pizza to a marinade. Now here I have some Habanero Flakes. Very hot, but very good. Smoked Spanish Paprika. Not only does it add heat, but a little bit of a smoky flavor to any dish. Now here we have some Szechuan peppercorns. More for the numbing sensation than the heat. Here are some Aleppo pepper flakes, which I like to use for eggs. Gochugaru, a favorite of my pantry, which is a Korean dried red pepper flake. I think it tastes slightly sweeter than regular crushed red peppers. I keep 2 containers worth at all times. I also have a Gochugaru powder. This is more meant for soups. Finally, some chili powder, which I make every year. To make hot chili oil, you will need Gochugaru, Habanero Flakes, crushed red chili peppers, Szechuan peppercorns, whole black peppercorns, garlic, a leek, and a neutral cooking oil. First, start by slicing and cleaning your leek. Leeks are notoriously dirty. Yeah, like that. Give me a moment to wash this out. We only need about half of the whites of a leek for this amount of chili oil. Keep the rest for some stock making. Slice the leeks really thin, I'd say about matchstick size. Next, add some thinly sliced garlic, I'd say about 3 cloves worth. Now let's prep the actual chilies. Place 1½ teaspoons of the crushed red chili peppers into a heat-proof container, followed by 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, half a tablespoon of the habanero flakes, half a tablespoon of Szechuan peppercorns, and half a tablespoon of black peppercorns. Heat in a skillet half a cup of neutral oil and wait until the surface shimmers. Once shimmering, add your leeks and garlic. Now we wait, but do not leave this alone. This can burn very easily. Once you see the edges of the leeks and garlic start to get golden, pour the oil into a heat-proof container through a strainer. And there we have it, hot chili oil. I use this stuff for everything. A spoonful in some instant ramen is always welcome. Maybe drizzled on some chicken wings or Korean fried chicken. My favorite is on top of some fried pot stickers. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.